Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your team with Zoom, complete guide step by step clearly. Scaling your team with Zoom requires a strategic approach. Begin by assessing your team's needs and bandwidth. Identify the key areas where collaboration is vital. Set clear objectives for scaling your team effectively. Evaluate your current Zoom capabilities and features. Consider upgrading to a Zoom plan that fits larger teams. Create a dedicated Zoom workspace for team meetings. Establish guidelines for scheduling and hosting meetings. Encourage team members to use Zoom's collaboration tools. Integrate Zoom with your project management software. Host regular training sessions on Zoom features. Ensure all team members are familiar with the platform. Promote the use of Zoom breakout rooms for brainstorming sessions. Utilize Zoom for team-building activities to strengthen relationships. Encourage feedback to improve the remote working experience. Monitor engagement and participation during meetings. Adjust meeting formats based on team feedback and needs. Explore Zoom's webinar feature for larger presentations. Consider using Zoom Rooms for a hybrid work environment. Implement a centralized calendar to streamline meeting scheduling. Foster a culture of open communication through Zoom channels. Track team performance metrics to gauge effectiveness. Continuously adapt to changes in team dynamics or structure. Review your scaling strategy regularly to ensure alignment with goals. With these steps, you can effectively scale your team using Zoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.